Like Adam and Eve in the Garden of Eden, nothing given freely is fully appreciated.
More! Not so loud, they may hear you.
I have to leave my studio. It is a very sad affair that I have to leave my design studio and move onwards. And I can imagine that many of you out there are equally as upset as I am. Around like that, and then shook it, and it would move and shimmer around, and it would feel like you were actually in a river. Amazing. And the crux of it was at the Cannes Film Festival. We were doing the title sequence, intro and exit of a film, and it was called Bare Knuckle, and we had Mark Commode and Dreamworks at the screening, and they all came out and they were, whoa, that is amazing, the CGI on that must have taken you ages. And then I explained to them how I created it, and it's so stupid. Okay, well, what I did is I got a picture frame, and then I got spandex and stretched it all over, tacked it, and then had a beam of light going that way, the camera facing it that way, so it wasn't catching anything. The spandex, and I push this forward. and filmed it. And that was it. It's just the simplest things are in front of you. And we just don't realise, we don't pick up on it. And that goes throughout life. Think about it. I remember a silly little incident when Gail was alive. We were in a car park, and we were having a drink, and I was thinking about the car, and I was thinking, oh, do we really need to fill up with oil? And I noticed the registration of a particular car that was in the car park that said 01L blah blah blah. And I looked at it and I was like, it says oil. I said, babe, I think we should fill up. We went to the gas station on the way driving back, and it's a good job we did, because the entire car went a boof, blown. Look for the messages. They're always in front of you. Thank you for my subscribees. Look forward to more joining me in the new studio, and we're going to get excited in that one. I'm going to be producing more and more investigatory videos about the art world and the art market, things you will not realise that are out there. It's not what you imagine. Get excited. See you soon.
Here's our credit to his race.
What race is that?
The 100-yard dash.